Hey everyone, Codex here. I hope you're doing amazing. So today what we're gonna do is take a look at Elrond's native token EGLD, and we'll be discussing the current momentum to understand whether we'll continue rising to higher levels or if this move that we are currently experiencing is nothing but a short-term pump. So if you guys like the content, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and of course join the Telegram group. So in all honesty, we haven't seen anything exciting from EGLD in the last 4 weeks in terms of the price action, because we have mainly been going sideways in the same exact range. The other thing I want to discuss is this move down in here. Now, this might seem like a small drop at first, but this is actually a decent sized one, as this was a 30% move down, which should make us question whether this upside move will continue and whether this move is actually sustainable. Now, if we take a look at the KDJ, we can see that the black line is still going up, and the blue line is indeed winning its upside race against the orange line on the daily time frame, which is a very good sign, indicating an uptrend. And as long as the blue line is still going up, the price will just keep rising at best or move sideways at worst. Now, if we move on to the Phoenix Ascending indicator, which is the better momentum indicator, as it helped us a lot in the past, we can see that the blue 100 lines, the blue LSMA and red RSI, are once again above the level of 50. And we know that when the blue and red lines are above 50, when they are above the mid-yellow line, we have a bullish momentum, and when they are below it, we have a bearish trend. And so this means that we do in fact have a bullish momentum in this time frame that started about 3 days ago. These are the facts, by the way, which I can't deny, but I do have some concerns, and my concerns start with the very low volume. I mean, the volume that we are having right now is just too little for us to see any serious rally, for us to see any serious expansion up. I mean, just look at how low it is, and also focus on how small our candles have been lately. Yes, there has been some buy pressure this week, but it's super weak. And so based on that, I would say that we are mainly going up because there isn't really a strong selling pressure anymore. And so there hasn't been much interest in this market this week, to be honest, from both buyers and sellers, and so it's a bit normal to see a very weak momentum. Now, if you ask me personally, if you ask me about my opinion, I do believe that we will revisit this level sometime in the future, although it might take a few weeks before it happens. 2 weeks ago, I thought that we will see a move down, and I made a video when we were at about $54 saying that I do expect a move down to this blue support. And although we went down, although we had this 30% move to the downside, we didn't really go as low as I expected. I mean, we have to be honest in here. I thought that we will come in this area, in this range, but it didn't happen, as we were a bit shy of this area. However, I still think that we will sooner or later come in here. When it comes to the rally and all of that talk, I really do not expect Elrond to rally yet. I do not see any signs of an upcoming relief rally too. Yes, we might go back up to $60 to $64, but that doesn't imply much, because remember that 2 weeks ago we were right there, and so it won't make sense to me to celebrate a price target that we were at not so long ago. Now, there is one more thing we need to discuss, which is a new area showing up. So before I tell you which one it is, what you need to understand is that in the last several months, and basically since the downtrend has started, we have been drawing these blue areas, and every time we drew an area, it ended up being a support. These areas have been drawn through the volume profile visible range indicator, which is the VPVR, and the ordered book, and they have helped us a lot because they have been super accurate. For example, the last time we drew this blue zone, it was in here before the drop even started, and we ended up coming there to the exact dollar, as you can see. And so the new area showing up is this one, okay, which is between 62 and $66. And you can definitely see that we have been spending quite some time in here in the past. We got rejected in here not so long ago. We held this level as support twice, actually, in here and also in here. And even if we go to last year, even if we go back to 2021, we can see how we have had some contact in 2 different occasions with this area. And so this means that this area is now a tough resistance, as we are below it. $62 to $66 has turned into resistance now, and remaining below that level for EGLD is just an indicator that we are nowhere near a recovery phase and we are nowhere near a rally yet. So that was about it, guys, for today. This is my opinion on the market. This is my opinion on EGLD. Thanks for sticking by till the end. Have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.